I'm ready to listen. Do you need some help? Woof!
Most fascinating.
Woof! Let's get going! Let's get going! Let's get going!
Dear God. These are no doubt the skeletons of the dragons that the servants of the old gods slaughtered in the War of the Old Gods' Fall. The story has it that even Alexstrasza's favourite daughter was slain in that war, but her body was never recovered from the battlefield. Her remains may be among the bones in this room. If we find them, the least we can do is bring them back to Azeroth for proper burial.
Did you see how that stalagmite at the center of the room became strangely transparent?
Yes, I did. Incredible! The Inquisitor and 2 other things came from the stalagmite when it was transparent. It must be some sort of a transportation device.
I'm ready to listen. Woof!
You require my assistance? Well, splendid! Elementary. This is inconceivable. Fine.
Do you need some help? Woof! Do you need some help? Let's get going. I'm ready to listen. Do you need some help?
Most fascinating. Well, this shall surely be done. Elementary. Fine.
Let's get going. Do you need some help? I'm ready to listen.
¡Atacan a nuestras puertas!
I'm ready to listen. Let's get going.
This is inconceivable. Splendid! This shall surely be done. Fine. Splendid! This shall surely be done. Elementary. Splendid!
Let's get going. Ready to listen.
Require my assistance?
Do you need some help?
Fine.
Let's get going. I'm ready to listen.
You require my assistance?
you need some help? I'm ready to listen. Let's get going. Dwarf! I'm ready to listen.
This is inconceivable.
Woof! Do you need some help?
Did you see that? A brain golem appeared from the weird pulsating mass at the back of the room. That thing seems to be some sort of a production device for brain golems. Also, that mind flayer over there wears robes of most interesting kind. They look like a reflection of a cosmic night sky. He must be very highly ranked among his kin.
I have a bad feeling about this guy. We must be well prepared before we advance any further. Let's get going.
¡Atacan a nuestras fuerzas!
I'm ready to listen.
This shall surely be done. To battle! For glory! Elementary.
Why, Yanagu, there are gnolls here. So this is where our missing kin were taken. They are snarling at us. They must be under some kind of mental control. I just wish we wouldn't have to fight them.
This shall surely be done.
¡Atacan a nuestras fuerzas!
Let's get going. Do you need some help? I'm ready to listen. Let's get going. I'm ready to listen. Do you need some help? I'm ready to listen. Do you need some help? Let's get going. Let's get going. I'm ready to listen. Do you need some help? to listen.
Fine. The gaze of the Watcher is approaching us again. Prepare yourselves.
Do you need some help?
Well, splendid.
Do you need some help? Let's get going. Ready to listen.
Most fascinating. Elementary.
Dwarf! Ready to listen.
Elementary. Splendid. This is inconceivable. For the Ivory Tower! You require my assistance? Well, this shall surely be done.
¡Atacan a nuestras fuerzas!
I'm ready to listen. Do you need some
¡Atacan a
help?
nuestras fuerzas!
Let's get going.
Most fascinating.
I'm ready to listen. Do you need some help? Let's get going. I'm ready to listen. Oh my god! They killed Spot Longhowl!
And Rover, too.
How could they? Spot was such a kind and gentle gnoll. He wouldn't hurt a fly.
He would hurt people, though.
Woof! I'm ready to listen. Woof! Do you need some help? Do you need some help? Woof! Ready to listen.
Where am I? What happened?
You were captured by the Faceless Ones and put in a hypnotic stasis. Do you remember nothing?
No. Wait. It's all coming back to me now. Oh god, I need to get out of here.
I think it would be best if you did. You can reach Azeroth by using our gate. It is on top of the large pyramid nearby. You can't miss it. Once you get to Azeroth, Andun and Theoden will examine whether you are alright.
Thank you for saving us. We will reward you when we get back home.
Let's get going.
Fine. Splendid! Well, this shall surely be done.
Where am I? What happened? I want to get out of here.
I'm ready to listen. Let's get going. Do you need some help? I'm ready to listen. Let's get going. Do you need some help?
¡Atacan a nuestras puertas!
Ready to listen. Let's get going.
You require my assistance?
Woof!
Fine. Magic missile! Splendid! Magic missile! Most fascinating. To battle! This is inconceivable. Well, you require my assistance?
Let's get going. Woof!
Well? Whoops. Looks like that was a urine sample. Sorry about that. This is inconceivable. For glory! You require my assistance? Most fascinating.
I'm ready to listen. Do you need some help? Let's get going!
Estar aburrido de esperar. Rey, ¿qué hacer?
¡Atacan a nuestras fuerzas!
Yo estar aburrido de esperar. Yo ir.
Do you need some help?
¿Qué hacer?
I'm ready to listen. Let's get going! Let's get going!
Yo estar aburrido de esperar. Yo estar
Ready to
aburrido de
listen.
esperar.
Do you need some help? Do you need some help? I'm ready to listen. Woof! I'm ready to listen. Do you need some help?
You require my assistance? Elementary.
Do you need some help? I'm ready to listen.
Nuestro héroe ha caído.
Let's get going. Do you need some help?
Estar aburrido de esperar.
Build more dwarven homes.
¡Atacan a nuestras fuerzas!
Let's get going. Ready to listen.
Fine. This shall surely be done.
Let's get going.
¡Atacan a nuestras fuerzas!
I'm ready to listen.
Estar aburrido de esperar.
The king has returned.
Do you need some help?
Estar aburrido de esperar.
The gaze of the Watcher is approaching us again.
Ready to listen.
Prepare yourselves. Splendid.
Estar aburrido de esperar.
I'm ready to listen. Let's get
Estar aburrido de esperar.
Do you need some help? I'm ready to listen.
Well, fine.
Let's get going. Do you need some help?
This is inconceivable.
Ready to listen.
Elementary. Fine. Elementary. This shall surely be done.
I'm ready to listen. Do you need some help? Woof! Do you need some help? Ready to listen.
This is inconceivable.
No estar aburrido de esperar. ¿Qué hacer?
You require my assistance?
I'm ready to listen.
No estar aburrido de esperar. ¿Qué hacer?
Build more dwarven homes! Let's get going! Woof! Woof! I'm ready to listen.
Splendid!
Let's get going!
This shall surely be done. To battle! For glory! Fine. Elementary. Splendid! Splendid! Elementary. This shall surely be done. Fine. Elementary. Fine. Splendid! This shall surely be done. Fine. Elementary. Splendid! This shall surely be done. Magic missile! To battle! For glory! Elementary. This shall surely be done.
Let's get going!
El inventario está lleno.
I'm ready to listen.
Fine.
Let's get going! I'm ready to listen. Do you need some help?
Splendid! Well, most fascinating. Splendid! This seemed to have no effect on the stalagmite.
I'm ready to listen. Do you need some help?
This shall surely be done.
Let's
Edificio
get
terminado.
going. Do you need some help?
Well, fine. Elementary. Splendid! This is inconceivable. Fine.
Woof!
¡Atacan a nuestras fuerzas!
I'm ready to listen.
You require my assistance? Most fascinating.
Do you need some help?
Elementary.
Let's get going. Ready to listen. Woof! Do you need some help? I'm ready to listen.
Well, well. You made it this far.
What insanity is this? There is a man, or if I'm not mistaken, a dwarf, wearing night-black robes that look like a reflection of a cosmic night sky. I sense an enormous magical power emitting from his direction.
It has been most amusing to watch you fight your way here together with those furballs. I would have never thought the dwarves of Cosmodon could sink so low that they would even consider using, less allying with, dim-witted creatures like gnolls.
Who are you to speak like that? Identify yourself.
Does Tolasek the Wise fail to recognize the author of many of the books that have taught you what little you know of the so-called forbidden arts? Didn't your great-grandfather describe me well enough so that you would know me if our paths should ever meet?
No, it cannot be. Baradin. the Mad Dwarf of Doom Modor, one of the most powerful wizards to have ever walked among the dwarves. He disappeared inexplicably centuries ago. It is said that he went mad from studying the secrets of immortality and was consumed by the demons he called forth. Baradin wrote numerous books of the forbidden arts, including the infamous Cult des Nol and the monstrous Terratonomicon, which is regarded as the most reliable source concerning ancient and forgotten evils.
Yes, indeed. It's me, Baradin, and as alive as I was 300 years ago.
What do you want, Baradin? What are you doing here?
I'm studying in this temple with the Faceless One's permission. However, I have no interest in fighting their wars for them. I understand that you too are here to seek the power of the old gods. Now, if you behave yourselves, we might be of some assistance to each other. If you liked my book, The Terratonomicon, you may be interested in reading some of my later works that I've completed after leaving your boring little plane of existence. And if you're in need of demons, I can summon some extra ones for you for a nominal fee. Further, if you think you are ready for it, I can help you use the Crystal of Revelation. It is an extremely powerful scrying device of the Faceless Ones. The crystal can reveal many things from other regions of time and space. But beware, it can open up such terrifying vistas of reality that some people go mad from the revelation.
I would definitely be interested in seeing what he has written after he left Casmodan.